Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. So let's start the video. Open Facebook and go to your profile. To do that, click on the menu bar and tap on your profile icon or on the name. Click on your current profile picture. Tap on Select Profile Picture. Now choose a photo from your existing albums or upload a new one. So here, before saving your new profile picture, uncheck the box. Next to share your updates on newsfeed. So this basically won't post this update to your newsfeed and people won't get notified. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment below. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.